So to kick things off, we have our table of contents here, which you can refer back to when looking for something. This is our overview of the 12-week training plan you'll be doing with your puppy. Then we go into our progress tracker. This is where you can track their records, like their body weight, their vaccinations, heartworm, and their flea medication. You can also create your own if you're tracking others. This is in relation to the 12 foundational skills you'll be teaching your puppy, how to teach new skills, and the different milestones you'll be hitting with each skill. You'll also be able to add your own here if you're going to be teaching them other things. Going into helpful resources, these are very important. This is talking about understanding how your puppy develops, what their developmental stages are, and what to expect going into them. This is our enrichment checklist here. We've got our grooming and handling checklist and our socialization checklist, which you're going to be using a lot throughout the weekly plans. This is suggestions for reinforcement, things that you can use to motivate your dog. We talk about types of walks that you're going to be doing, and this is also very important here. We've got body language. Going into week 1, this is what we recommend for week 1. You can see we have socialization here, so we'll recommend 2 new places, 2 new people, 2 new dogs and animals, sights and sounds, and we've got some extra credit here. If you're not sure what to do with this, you can look at our table of contents here, go to the certain page, and you can get some ideas. This refers back to the enrichment and the socialization checklist that we just reviewed. This is interactive, so you can write down exactly what you did so you can track. That being said, this is where you're going to be doing your training stuff. So this is your Monday through Friday plan. This is what we recommend doing for that day. You can check it off. You can write what interactive feeder you use. This is a great way to track, especially if you have a family or a group of people at home and you're all sharing these plans together. This right here is the skill that we work on that day. So if you look back at our week 1, this is the skills that we recommend, but everybody moves at a different pace. Everybody has different needs. So you can write down the skill that you're working on this week. Also, you're going to come down here to ideas. So if you need help with training steps, or if you need ideas for interactive feeders or potty training support, you can go down to our table of contents here and find that there. Going into week 2, you see our same structure here, and it's interactive. This is what you recommend for week 2. This is your plan for week 2, and so on and so forth. This is week 3, and it goes all the way up to 12 weeks. Let me go down to the potty training aspect here. So if we go to the potty training chapter here, this outlines timelines, how long your puppy should be able to hold it, factors that influence that. These are our potty training tips. This is a schedule that you're going to be able to use, especially helpful for puppies. Having them on a schedule really helps with potty training. So this is our example schedule, and then you and your family or on your own, you can create your own. This is our data tracker. So this is a really great way to determine and track when accidents are happening. It tells you what to look for, and it helps you kind of collect data when these accidents are happening. This is for 1 day. This is for a second day. There's a QR code here to print more. This allows you to identify when and where accidents are happening so you can prevent them. And then we have our reflections and our resources. We've got a little certificate in the back. This is what to do after you complete the 12-week training plan. Some reflections. And then, of course, we have our whole support system in the back here. You can reach out to me with Born to Be Dog Training or to Nika, Vet Tech Coach. We're here to help.